I have my theme set up, and I have created an About Me page that I would like to add to my site. Normally in WordPress, you would go to Appearance and Menus, and over here you would click on the About Me and add that to the menu. But if you want to add that page in your one-page layout, then you need to do things a little bit differently. So instead of menus, you need to go to Page Builder. So right now I have Portfolio and Sample Page. And if I open up my site in a new tab, you can see here I have my portfolio and there's the sample page. So let's go back to the Page Builder. This is used for your one-page layout. And we call each of your one-page sections a section. So the first thing you need to do is create a new section. So just take this section block right here and just drag and drop it below everything else, like so. Now I'm going to double click on New Section, and that's going to open up the section settings. You can also click on this blue cog icon right here. And I'm going to call this About Me. That's it. I'm just going to close the section controls now. And now I can drag and drop my page in here. Now here's a drop down with all of the pages. About Me is the page that I want. And all I need to do is save template. Now I can go back to my site, reload the page. And here we go. I have my portfolio, I have my sample page, and my About Me page. That's it. I hope this was helpful, and see you next time.